Dear Mr. President, come take a walk with me. Let's pretend we're just two people and you're not better than me. I'd like to ask you some questions and we can speak honestly. What do you feel when you see all the homeless on the street? What do you pray for at night before you go to sleep? What do you feel when you look in the mirror? Are you proud? How do you sleep while the rest of us cry? How do you dream when a mother has no chance to say goodbye? And how do you walk with your head held high? Can you even look me in the eye and tell me why? Na, 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 na. Dear Mr. President, were you a lonely boy? How can you say no child is left behind? We're not dumb and we're not blind. They're all sitting in your cell while you pay the road to hell. What kind of father would take his own daughter's rights away? And what kind of father might hate his own daughter for sugarcane? I can only imagine what the First Lady has to say. You go from whiskey and cocaine. How do you sleep while the rest of us cry? How do you dream when a mother has no chance to say goodbye? And how do you walk with your head held high? Can you even look me in the eye? Let me tell you about hard work. Minimum wage with a baby on the way. Let me tell you about hard work. Filling the hearts of the bumps with some rain. Let me tell you about hard work. Building a bed on a cardboard box. Let me tell you about hard work. Hard work, hard work. You don't know nothing about hard work. Hard work, hard work. How do you sleep at night? How do you walk with your head held? Dear Mr. President, you never take a walk with me.